tell me if this is not tantalizing to you. Just tell me. Look at this. Hey guys, guess what we are cooking today? You're welcome back to Yoyondoki's kitchen, and on today's recipe, I'm going to save you from the guess. We are making lamb suya or lamb jerky. Okay, so stay tuned to find out how we'll make this yummy, tantalizing, juicy lamb suya. I know you cannot understand. See how it's bubbling. So stay tuned to find out all the simple ingredients we'll be using for this amazing recipe. But I do thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed, do me well by subscribing and turn on your notification bell. Thank you guys. So guys, my ram suya will be going into the grill right now. You can see I've already set up the things to get going, so I'm gonna get this back to you guys. Okay, I'm going to add some more suya spice because this has been marinated for over 2 hours. Yes, I really want it to be so super delicious. So now I'm going to glaze it with some vegetable oil. Yeah. Oh my goodness, it's going to be super delicious. I remember back in the day, in the university days, when we used to eat real ram suya. So for my Senegalese subscribers, please do tell me how I did in the comment section, if I did a good job to this suya. Okay, this is ram meat. We call it lamb meat. It's lamb meat. Lamb. Yeah, so you can see everything is looking nice. So I'm gonna put more suya spice on it, and then I will get it right into the oven. Are you ready? So guys, I'm gonna add more of the suya spice on it right now. I really want it to be super delicious. Yeah, you can actually make suya in your home. Sincerely, you don't have to go to Malam to get some of these things done. And when you make it at home, you know you're making it with love. And you can see we don't have any flies around here disturbing our yummy suya. So now we have our suya spice. So I'm gonna get back to you guys. So guys, I'll be grilling this suya in this grill mat. So we're just going to lay them down. So don't mind the sun. It's so sunny here and it's already past 5 p.m. and it's still this hot. So guys, and this is it, and we are going to allow it to grill. Like I said, it's grill time. So guys, you can see our lamb is looking good. Yeah, we're grilling the lamb with the grill mat. So I want to lock in all the juice and all the seasoning so that it will be super tasty, the suya seasoning. So keep watching guys, and I do thank you for watching my video. My Senegalese friend, am I doing it right? Yeah. So guys, you can see, don't mind the sun, okay? The sun, okay, this is better. It's actually very sunny, and I tell you it's almost 6 p.m. in the US. So see my lamb suya. I wanted to lock in all the juices, so now I'm going to get it directly to the grill. Yeah, to the grill right now to get some smoky flavor into it, and then we'll let it out because it's almost done. And I do thank all of you for watching my video. Oh, it's looking yummy. Tell me how I did, and I do thank all of you for watching. Ciao, ciao. Alright guys, so my suya is ready right now. I'm gonna get them out. It's very sunny out here. This is actually how I want it. I didn't want to put it in the stick. I wanted it to be some kind of juicy, the ones you cut. I'll see. Yeah, guys, tell me if this is not tantalizing to you. Just tell me. Look at this. This is lamb suya, and I do thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna plate it with some onions and some vegetables.